So here's another question floating around the internet. I can't even believe people ask this question. And the question is, do I have to change the oil filter every time I change my oil? Yes. Because, all right, so this is, in my eyes, the equivalent of taking a shower and put your dirty underwear back on. It's that gross. So, the purpose of your oil filter is to get all the debris floating around inside the oil out of it. It's an oil filter so that it filters the oil and it sends clean oil back up to the motor and it circulates around. It gets all the impurities and little debris floating around out of the oil fluid so that it doesn't gum up, the lifters and stuff like that. You always have proper oil to lubricate everything internally inside of your motor. So oil filters aren't that much money. You can buy them on Amazon. I like to run OE filters whenever possible. Filters that I like to use, Wix has been around for a really long time. They're decent filters. The marketing part of Wix just sucks. So not that many people know about them, but it's a really good filter. I like Wix filters. I've been running them forever. If not, using one of those, like in my Ford trucks, I'll run a Motorcraft or something like that, or a brand, an OE filter whenever possible, like or a Kia filter in my Kias and stuff like that. But yeah, always change your oil filters every time you change your oil. It's a good rule of thumb. Keep you out of trouble, keep your oil clean, keep your car lasting longer. So I hope that answers your question. And if you have any other questions, drop a comment. I will reply back to you. Thumb up the video if you like it. It'll help us out a ton. And subscribe to the channel for more great tips like this. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day.